This is going to be the most adventurous dive of my life. Reed's first dive with me. Core memory of 2025. Saurabh is wearing my dress ka skirt. Today is my best day ever in Andaman. सुबह की डाइव से समोसा क्रेव करूँ. यस, अभी इसके साथ फोटो चाहिए मेरे को. Alright guys, it is 21st of Jan today. 21st, yeah, and I'm finally starting advanced. क्यों सौरभ, मेरा इतना डिले क्यों हुआ है एडवांस?
आपके पतिदेव की वजह से.
मेरे पतिदेव की वजह से नहीं, मैंने बोला था उनसे नहीं होगा, नहीं होता है.
पतिदेव ने बोला कि कर लेंगे, पतिदेव एकदम मजे में हाँ हो जाएगा.
All of a sudden, what happened? I don't know. I started working. Sir, while I was working, मेरे को बैठे चक्कर आ रहा है, bro. For some reason, I don't even understand.
It happens, bro. But मेरे साथ भी हुआ था. मैंने बोली थी ना, नहीं होता है इतना ज्यादा.
Dehydrated बोलते हैं.
Open water and advance के लिए साथ
बैठे आ रहा है, bro. While I was in the water as well, I left. I was all दम आराम से हूँ मैं. Then I was sitting, फिर ऐसा हो रहा था that I couldn't even stand straight. I had food. I took sugars. I had a brownie.
Okay, तो मेरी एडवांस की पढ़ाई अभी शुरू हो रही है because Reed didn't feel well and he didn't come early to finish his open water, so he's still not done with open water. So now I have to start advanced, वरना मेरा 2 दिन में होगा नहीं. And I have to finish in 2 days, today and tomorrow. Then day after we are going. So finally I'm starting my advanced scuba diving course.
Once you finish the underwater navigation,
Yeah.
then you have to do PTD.
What is that?
Knowledge review.
Fish identification भी है ना advanced
आज
में?
भी करने का.
कल.
आज 2 करेंगे.
हाँ.
फिर आप दोपहर को घर चले जाओगे.
हाँ.
हम लोग 1 बजे तक फ्री हो जाएंगे मैक्सिमम.
Okay.
1 बजे घर चले जाओ. मस्त वहाँ जाके फिर नाइट पढ़ो. नाइट पढ़ के 5:30 को रिटर्न हो.
नाइट करना जरूरी है क्या? एडवांस का पार्ट है. तुम जानबूझ के करा रहे हो.
यार.
नहीं करना ना नाइट.
नहीं करना है.
हाँ प्लीज नहीं, इतनी इंडिपेंडेंट वुमन नहीं हूँ मैं.
टॉप जाएगा साथ में, क्यों टेंशन.
पर ठंडी लगेगी ना.
वर्ड सूट पहन के जाएंगे, कंबल ले जाएंगे अंदर से.
If I feel better, I think I can. Can I come after my
open water
is done? So yeah, I think we can. Then it's better.
There is no time. If you finish one dive by 11 or 12, I have to go with you once again for finishing of these 2 dives. But night पे आप नहीं आ सकते. Night आप.
No, he's not saying. You're saying as advanced course.
No.
He's just saying as fun dive.
Night you can't go. You have to do a specialty there. It's a different thing.
अच्छा, okay.
क्यों, मेरे को तो ओपन वाटर में नाइट करा रहे थे तुम लोग.
Specialty डाले.
अच्छा, वैसे भी तुमको ठंडी में स्विमिंग नहीं पसंद है, तो you're saved.
You finish it fast underwater.
Okay, yeah, I'll finish. फटाफट हो गया. अभी मेरा एडवांस शुरू हो रहा है. आज आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू टेक यू इन वाटर. रीत इज कंप्लीटिंग हिज ओपन वाटर टुडे. लाइक ही हैज 1 डाइव लेफ्ट इन विच देयर विल बी सम स्किल्स व्हिच आर रिमेनिंग, एंड देन ही डज हिज थ्योरी एग्जाम इन द इवनिंग. और मेरा एडवांस अभी शुरू हो रहा है. सो आई विल डू स्किल्स अभी. आई विल डू 2 डाइव्स नाउ एंड आई विल डू 3 डाइव्स टुमारो. सो टोटली इन एडवांस आई हैव टू डू 5 डाइव्स एंड दैट विल मेक मी अ पैडी एडवांस स्कूबा डाइवर. सो आई हैव नो लॉन्गर एन ओपन वाटर. आई कैन गो अप टिल 28 meters. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट इट सर्टिफाइज मी फॉर, इफ आई एम करेक्ट. या सो या थोड़ा सा डिले हो गया हमारा प्लान बिकॉज वी वर ट्राइंग to do it together, Reet and I, but unfortunately कल Reet को चक्कर आ रहे थे, and that happens. Okay, this happened to me as well. So if you don't hydrate properly or even your body is just not used to it, we come from Bombay, your body, you have to give it time to get adjusted to stuff, and going back to back dives, your body can like destabilize once you're out of the water. So then yesterday he was feeling very giddy and tired, so आज सुबह उसको जल्दी उठ के open water के लिए बुलाए थे, but he couldn't wake up and come, and he was also very sick yesterday. So I was like, don't pressure yourself at all, you can come back. Havelock is always ours, we can always come back and get our your advance done. And open water does certify you to go to a lot of places, so we will still be capable of going to a lot of places, just not deep enough with Reet, like only till 18 to 20 meters. But most of the beauty lies upper only, so it's chill. This is my advanced scuba diving trainer. Test बुम्बा के हाथ में, क्योंकि सौरभ मुझे छोड़ के चला गया और अभी मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है अपना टेस्ट देने के लिए, because बुम्बा टॉक्स so softly कि आपको सुना ही नहीं देगा, कभी भी उसकी आवाज ही नहीं आएगी. इतने सारे weights, you don't want to go down only? तो वो लेके जाता है ना. हाँ वो यहाँ वो फाइट थोड़ा ज़्यादा weight चाहिए. Why you want to sing? You leave this and come up? Is that a skill?
No.
Then trimming is a skill, na? PPB. Reet is using how many weights? Only 2?
Yeah.
Only 2?
Yeah, first I used 4, then yesterday I used 3. First 5, 4, 3 and yeah.
So now you remember that yours is 2. Next time we go to dive somewhere, it's 2.
Each time we are reducing 1 more. Chalo, Sarah getting ready for her advanced open water. How many you're using? You're using 3.
Yeah, I always use 3.
2 hours later.
आज 2 डाइव किए, दोनों में टेस्ट थे. So hectic, so we've ordered some lots of kebabs for our lunch and we're sitting at Silver Sand Beach and enjoying it. This was one of my favorite places to chill and enjoy, and you know रात को यहाँ पे live music होता है, so it's such a vibe. In the day also it's such a vibe, and in the evening also. अभी तो वैसे 4 बज रहे, so it's gonna be sunset in some time.
A little later.
I forgot to give an outfit check, but we are going to something different for a nice dinner because tomorrow is going to be our last night, and I think we are going to be doing a night dive. शायद ही हमको chance मिलेगा बाहर अच्छा खाना खाने. We were nicely going to something different. This is Dive Master's other shop. हम लोग को दिख गए सौरव और बुम्बा, तो हम रोक गए और अभी मैं अपना पूरा मन बदल रही हूँ. I don't want to do advance. They're scaring me. I don't want to remove my mask at 25 meters.
देखो मेरा कोई स्किल विल है नहीं. अश्विन और मैं आराम से उधर ही.
भाई तू त्रिवेली का झूठ ढूंढना.
वही हाय हो
रीत
देखोगे ये परेशान करेगा.
Bro, actually if we can get a shot like that, Triveli's around and your.
कौन सा मेरा शॉट नहीं दिखा रहा है.
वो अगर मिल गया तो भाई जिंदगी सफल.
I am very scared right now.
मिलेगा ना.
I'm scared.
Baba, nothing. Just keep breathing. That's it. उधर जाके
ये एकदम अपना बॉय बन गया भाई.
नहीं actually उधर कुछ
वो अपना एकदम तगड़ा डायलॉग बोला. जस्ट कीप ब्रीदिंग, एकदम अपना ब्रो कोड में आ गया भाई.
नहीं एक्चुअली तुम्हारे पास ही you'll have an instructor even if things go wrong. वो 2 लोग हैं यार तुम्हारे साथ.
2 इंस्ट्रक्टर, तीसरा मैं बोट पे बैठे रहूंगा.
बोट पे क्या करूंगी मैं, नीचे मर के आऊंगी. तो the only thing is I won't remove my mask. I won't remove my mask. They want me to go down 25 meters underwater and remove my mask and replace.
अरे so what? You'll have your regulator in your mouth. No, regulator is the main.
I can keep my eyes closed now when I do that.
No, why? Are you mad?
मास्क निकाल के वापस पहनो, लिया करो, मुझे देखो, फॉलो करो.
I do that anyways. These are like standard places in Andaman, still doing the same things. I have a photo sitting in something different alone reading my book, and today I have a photo with Reet in something different. So cute it is. They just take a photo and they immediately print it and give it to you. And you don't even have to ask, they do it to all their guests. It's the sweetest thing ever. The food was also so good. Reet wiped out the pizza because रोज हम Indian खा रहे थे. He was fed up. And मैंने prawn chili खाया तो जो चला भी गया already.
The next morning.
4 बजे उठ के भी फटाफट got ready because we are going on 3 dives today. आज मेरा advanced course खत्म होगा, so 3 dives है. First dive is a deep dive where I'm going to go cross 25 meters underwater. That's going to be crazy because I've never gone beyond 18 meters. That is my open water. Reet will go till 18 meters because he's already open water. Only his theory exam is left. चलो we don't want to get late because the boat leaves at 5. हमको छोड़ के चली जाएगी if we are late. Sunrise भी नहीं हुआ है अभी तक. Silver Sand Beach पे sunrise होता है, but sunrise भी नहीं हुआ है and we are up. And Reet is not a morning person, so he's very grumpy right now. I'm very excited. It's going to be an adventurous day.
Both my dives are in cold water. Night dive is there and there's only
If you I woke up at 4 in the morning because you said fight in the boat will leave. Fight in the boat. बेचारा सभी भी नींद में. तो धोखा दिया है ना अश्विन ने. He said fight and the boat will leave.
No, I don't mind. 6 बजे को चलो when the sun is up, please.
मैं सनराइज देख लेती यार सिल्वर सैंड पे.
6 बजे को चलो, ठंड लगती है यार, मुझे ठंडा वाली बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है.
चल okay cool. At least we woke up and we came. He's planning our dive. The wall. This is going to be the most adventurous dive of my life. Ashwin, you don't stay with Reet now. You please come with me.
Hey, you mad or what?
You stay with Bumba. Bumba is nice.
You shut up. You're doing advance में open water करके उस depth में जा रहे हो यार. तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब है. I'll need him.
What is this? 12-meter safety stop. Is that where Reet will stop?
Both of you need to stop.
No, but he'll go till 18-meter, no, Reet?
Yeah, he'll be going 18 meters. Chalo, we will fix it here.
Okay.
Hey, see, there your impulses there.
Which?
That's their fuel.
Oh, yes. Rathi Rani Espresso is here. And with Charo Vanilla. Chal, let's fix giver. This is our dive plan for the day. Ashwin's drawing skills are not that great, but understood everything. If you leave me, all my Sara squad will come at you. Understood, no? Leave her there at 30 meters. So, where will Reet go from 12 to 11? Like this?
Here to there I'll go, no?
It will be like kind of you're gonna be little meter up. Prabhat will be with you.
Only Prabhat will be with you. Ashwin is going with me. Now I'm safe.
And second website we're gonna check.
Yeah, lighthouse. Lighthouse is chill. Don't have to brief.
The lighthouse are deep in the boat actually.
You're not sure if it's lighthouse or slope. Okay.
Lighthouse also I'm going.
It's
To dive.
fun dive.
In case you can log more dive.
You have to fill all this in your logbook.
So things you can see gonna be plenty of lionfish, stonefish, scorpion fishes.
What is that one fish? Lionfish?
Stonefish,
Stone
scorpion fish. So
Scorpion
make
fish.
sure even if you're trying to grab onto an object because you can't or something, give a nice good look before you grab. Because stonefish and scorpion fish they look exactly like a stone actually. Okay, so make sure you give a nice good look.
They're
before you
poisonous,
grab.
they're very
Yeah,
poisonous.
I will not touch
Other things
anything.
you can see triggerfish, boxfish, school of barracuda, angel fishes, trivelis.
Today is a momentous day. It's my first deep dive and Reet's first dive with me and first boat dive after your certification. First boat dive. No, you're not done now because boat 2. You have to do 2 boat dives for open water.
No, who said?
Yeah, Sneha has done 2 boat dives. You have to do 2.
Yeah, you are.
But you will be doing 2. Morning person, not morning person. I'm so scared for my deep dive, but there's no point being scared now. I've signed up for it, I've come so far. I might as well do it.
I'm only worried about the temperature of the water, nothing else I'm worried about.
It's okay, once you're inside, it doesn't matter. That's the best thing, right? Water, once you're in, doesn't matter. Chalo, I'll see you from inside the water. Core memory of 2025. So good, it was so good. Both the dives were excellent. Like what I don't know what you all saw in the camera, but what we saw in our eyes.
You guys will see good in the camera because we shoot it good.
Yeah, now Saurav has upgraded his equipment so that I can keep coming here and keep filming.
And they are lucky that they got 60 meters visibility easily.
The
You can see the wall perfectly that they
Bro,
have
so initially I thought he caught a lobster, bro.
नहीं वो खाने का डिस्कशन हो रहा था.
Initially I thought he caught one, bro.
मैं नीचे देख के क्या हुआ कि लॉबस्टर का सर पड़ा हुआ है. ये बाहर कैसे है? फिर जाके देखा नहीं है, बस सर है. सीधा निकाला, सोचा कि मजाक करूंगा थोड़ा.
इसके साथ मेरा मैसेज में बात हो रहा था 10:30 बजे. भाई फट रही है, क्या करूं मैंने बोला तू आराम से कर लेगी, चिल कर.
आराम से.
हर प्रैक्टिस भाई 4 फन डाइव कराए किस लिए? वो ग्रिप रिटर्न लेके आने के लिए. जब वॉल जाएगी आराम से कर लेगी. भाई इसको अभी डीप डाइव का नशा चढ़ेगा. अब इसको वो चुल चलेगी, अभी डीप डाइव.
Yeah, dude, it was too fun. Stingray मुझे पहले तो लगी मरी हुई है, मालूम है? मुझे लगा हिल ही नहीं रही थी. But then I saw Abhishek was like panning on the stingray, and then I was like, oh, it's moving when the camera is panning.
It was covered. फिर बुम्बा ने उसको निकाला उससे.
Yeah. Too good. आज मैंने sunscreen लगाया ही नहीं. I didn't want any fogging. So if you put sunscreen, your mask starts fogging. So. Oh, dude. Dude, you should.
The wall is next level. Slope was also.
The wall is the best diving site in Andaman. Like
इसका पूरा झुंड ऊपर इधर से ये वो lobsters इधर अंदर घुसे हुए stingrays. This big starfish.
Like the richest of the rich, and you will not feel any pressure, nothing, no current, nothing, just chilling in water. Too good, dude. बहुत जल्दी. 5:45 we were on the boat.
5:45 we left for the side.
Do it one day if they can. Na. Do it.
Visibility is so good, bro.
Yeah.
Glass waters, glass.
Boat dive.
Boat dive. We did 2 today.
Yeah, you did too.
We went to the slope. Slope में we saw the big starfish. Then
We saw groupers. We saw. मेरा पूरा fish identification was in that. So अपना Moorish idol वगैरह everything else. That villain which you say from Nemo is Moorish idol.
for this big grouper. ये यहाँ से जा रहा है मेरे.
Basically, morning dives are the clearest.
Not really. You never know, right?
It's again a lot on your luck.
Yeah.
Today the water was.
We reach this site. They go down. They see the visibility, and then they tell us. So you never know.
अच्छा बहुत हो गया FOMO.
FOMO हो गया स्नेहा का. She's like मैं एग्जाम देने आई हूँ.
मैं एग्जाम देके
हाँ यार मेरा भी एग्जाम है यार.
चलो एग्जाम दो. ओपन वाटर हुए नहीं हो अभी तक तुम. अभी तो कार्ब्स, प्रोटीन क्या ही क्या. ब्रेड पकोड़ा है तो ब्रेड पकोड़ा ही सही. This is not happen. This is भूख also bro. बहुत किकिंग किया अंदर.
एक स्लाइस पिज्जा ये छोटा वाला अपन खा के आए.
तुमको एक और मेरे को एक ना. पहले आप एक दे दो.
चटपटी is there, but
What is चटपटी?
একটা কাজ করুন, একটা ব্রেড পকোড়া কেটে চটপটির মধ্যে.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Saurav is wearing my dress का skirt. मेरी dress का swimsuit का skirt. Superman. He looks like Moana का वो है ना क्या है? Maui. Looks like Maui. Day ever in Andaman. Like whatever I'm wanting, I'm getting. मतलब क्या ही हो रहा है. We got this beautiful sunset.
All of us
जो है पीछे. Yeah, a sunset. Oh, and we've taken amazing pictures. Look at our pictures. Like what a job done, Abhishek. Killing it.
You take honeymoon photo shoots as well. करना नहीं है यार. You can charge a bomb for this, bro.
We don't like to do honeymoon shoots. That's the problem.
Bro, the amount. See, do it just as a side gig, bro. Even if you do it as a side gig,
उसको मैंने बोला भाई तू कर भाई.
No, actually, you don't take many. Okay, you in a month you.
जो कपल अच्छे लगे उनका ही लेना.
ऐसा interview.
And I got samosa. सुबह की डाइव से समोसा क्रेव कर रही हूँ। कितनी बार मैंने बुम्बा को बोली मेरे को समोसा चाहिए, समोसा चाहिए। बेस्ट डाइव्स, बेस्ट सनसेट, बेस्ट पीपल एंड समोसा। मतलब और क्या ही हो सकता है लाइफ में आज अच्छा। The way Reet has changed parties and Saurav has changed parties. Like ये बंदा मेरा था और ये बंदा भी मेरा था और इधर आके ये लोग दोनों एक टीम में हो गए और मैं अकेली हो गई हूँ। और उधर अश्विन मेरे को हाँ, तुम मेरी जिंदगी के सब लड़कों को ले रहे हो।
अमित तो बंगाली है, अमित तो इधर
सब बंगाली है ब्रो। अमित को इधर लाएंगे वो वापस ही नहीं जाएगा।
सौरभ के आइलैंड स्टे में
वॉल वाज द बेस्ट।
गुड मैन। मतलब
वॉल इज लाइक की वॉल भाई, आज वॉल ने अपने रंग दिखा दिए।
मतलब ऐसा प्रॉपर टेरेस फार्मिंग जैसा होता है ना,
पूरा दिखा है
प्रॉपर वैसा टेरेस की तरह है। एंड हर एक उस पे भाई मतलब द अमाउंट ऑफ मरीन लाइफ एंड कोरल्स तो ऐसे जैसे वी एंटर्ड एंड वी
द होल वॉल इज कोरल्स ओनली।
ऐसा लॉबस्टर्स का पूरा ग्रुप। आई एंटर्ड, आई डिसेंडेड।
अभी हमारा फोटोग्राफर ही बैठ गया है सनसेट एंजॉय करने।
One eternity later.
We're doing a boat night, right? The first thing, once you do the back row, how you can signal someone your feet. So this is the okay side of the south side. Or what you can do, you can make a nice route for around your head. That means, yeah, okay. So either this
won't be visible.
that won't be visible, but on the surface what I'm saying.
FOMO Pro Max.
When you'll do advanced, you'll also get a chance to do night dive. My first night dive. I'm not scared. I'm not cold also, so I'm good. We only did 2 dives together. They were the best.
Yes. 2.5 we did.
One we met midway.
Yes.
हाँ, चलो बाहर dive computer I'm there. I am going for my first night dive and which will be my last dive as completion of my advanced open water scuba certification. Reet finished his open water in the morning and now I'm finishing my advanced. I don't have to give any exam. He finished his exam. He's officially open water. Yay! And now at the advanced and we'll be done with our trip. Last dive of my Havelock trip 2025. Part 1. Part 1.
Very important to say.
Yeah, Reet loved Havelock so much, like just like I did. He's feeling the same things and he wants to come back soonest. So yeah, you'll see a lot of Havelock. Now let's go night time exploring. Jellyfish will be there.
No, hey, jellyfish. You mad or what? I'm scared of jellyfishes.
Even I'm scared of jellyfishes, so I'm just asking.
You'll see crabs.
Sea urchins, I'll see sea urchins. I'm excited for that. And maybe bioluminescence, so no.
प्लीज मत बोल यार ऐसे ये सब चीजें।
तुम्हारा भी दिन आएगा जब। Bye bye.
चलो बाय गाइस।
Look at the stars. So pretty.
How is it?
How's your
Cool and creepy both.
Cool and creepy both, Azan. Describe creepy.
So I feel like the fishes are sleeping and we are लगावing torch in the आके भाई उठ तुम्हें देखने का भाई उठ क्योंकि दिन में तो they are all in their natural habitat just swimming and we are observing. But
everyone is
here
sleeping.
we have to search for them and go. But the colors are very different in the night. Like all of them are a luminescent color. The bioluminescent.
Oh, you saw bioluminescent shade,
It
bro.
was so cool. It was so cool. Oh my god. And the sea urchins. So as soon as we went down, sea urchins are plenty. So that's pretty cool.
Okay.
So cool and creepy. I like the broken corals look like dead bodies almost. I'm like, bro. And then when there's abyss and only dead bodies, I'm like, थोड़ा creepy लग रहा है मेरे को.
Chalo, nice.
But the star, the night sky. As soon as you come up, the night sky. So I don't know, like everybody can have their own experience. I found it. It's like Ashwin is an explorer. वो torch के साथ जाके कुछ ढूंढ रहा है I'm like भाई नहीं मिल रहा है छोड़ जाते हो फिर उसको बोली you know what I said
अरे open the tank. He बेचारा he's holding the tank.
I am holding on my back. At one point I told him chal we'll go up. So he's saying why all good? I said all good. Feeling tired.
What is नया सी signal up से Paddy.
And he's like chal नीचे
Paddy added to your hand signals. Tired.
He's like chal चुपचाप नीचे. You can't just tired.
Pass down the torch.
We now officially have the Dive Masters t-shirt as divers graduated from the Dive Master. Done. This is so cute because Oscar is on it.
See your samosa and coffee.
Where?
Here.
Oh my god, my samosa is also here. I love my samosa. This is where you're saying next time you'll take me Dixon's Pinnacle. This is level.
Yeah, this is where he was also saying.
This is what we did today. Wall, Nemo Reef, Red Lighthouse. And this is our boat MV Nacho. This is damn cool, yeah. Who designed this? किसने design किया?
I only designed it.
मस्त किया है यार, बहुत अच्छा
I
है.
wanted that elements to be in, na, which where we touch the things. Na,
Yeah.
drink coffee.
It's actually a merchandise. Like what a merchandise. And we are having a full blown party जो हर graduation पे होती है. तो रीत जाके लेके आया सब सामान. अश्विन ने ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं है, but फिर भी उसको पार्टी मिल रही है. Now I feel so good. I'm done with my last dive of Havelock for this year abhi tak, but it feels nice. And I didn't tan that bad also this time. So I feel even better going back home to work. Yes! अभी इसके साथ फोटो चाहिए मेरे को. मेरा है open water के साथ. What do you have?
This is for you.
What is this? Now I just need a real life fin.
You can carry it anywhere.
Yeah, my fin.
मैं fin लेके घूमूंगा.
Yeah, you know I named my soft toy also Finn. Yeah, now it comes in both ways, baby.
The next day.
This is our one last time at the dive shop. We're saying bye to Havelock. How was it for you?
Oh, it was amazing. One of the best experiences. I don't understand why people have to go abroad when such a good place exists here.
This is how I felt. Like everything I was feeling on my trip to Havelock while it was ending is exactly what Reet was feeling yesterday. And it's a place that just, if you like water and you like nature and you want to see something which is not that explored, it's different, definitely have to come to Havelock. Like especially Havelock. Like at this time I didn't even stay a lot at Port Blair or even try to go to Neil Island, even though I've never been to Neil Island. I want to go someday, but I love Havelock. Anyway, I'm ending this vlog right here. I know it was super lengthy, but it was a full like 6-day trip. I tried to put it in one vlog. I don't even know अगर ये एक vlog बना है कि दो split हुए. But I hope you enjoyed our adventures nonetheless. Now we are leaving Havelock as advanced and open water scuba divers. तो हम जहाँ पे भी जाएंगे दुनिया में हम dive साथ में कर सकते हैं. There's a mission accomplished वाला feeling आ रहा है. And bye bye bro.
Bye bye. Main surprise तो बाकी है bro.
क्या सरप्राइज बाकी है? मेरी मक्रूज छूट गई, वो सरप्राइज नहीं होगा, शॉक होगा. Macruz is the ferry we take from Havelock to Port Blair. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to big thumbs up. For today's video, Sasquatch shout goes to Sajida Batul. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next year's Sasquatch shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video, Sara Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video from Bombay. Bye bye.